Hey, Jason from xFanatical here. In this video, I'll demonstrate how to bulk export groups in Google Workspace using xFanatical Foresight. Google Admin Console does not allow bulk export Google groups, while xFanatical Foresight has this feature and also allows to upload the groups list to Google Drive at the same time, and hence creating a workflow automation. Click the New Rule button and select the Manual trigger. Select the List Groups action. Then, select the following columns. Leave the Member Email action as it's optional. Click Add Next action and select Upload Data to Drive action. Enter the group CSV download link in the CSV file URL and Google Drive folder in the Google Drive folder field. Give the rule name and click Create. Triggering the rule. Trigger the rule through the play icon. Check that your rule has been executed successfully through the notification and the logs page. Verifying the result. Download the CSV to verify the result. Also, you will find the CSV from the Google Drive folder. If you have yet to install Foresight, apply for a 14 days trial. If you like our video, hit the thumbs up. Also, subscribe to our channel and press the notification bell icon to get notifications about the news, trends, and products that help you manage your business very well.